I am feeding my sourdough starter. I used 2 cups this morning when I was making sourdough. And as you can see, it still is active, has bubbles still there. I'm adding a 1/2 cup of freshly milled flour. And there's a 1/2 cup of water, but I know I won't use all of that, so I will do it incrementally. The consistency that I'm looking for is that of pancake batter. Some like theirs a little looser. I don't. The pancake batter consistency works really great for me. And if I'm not going to use it anymore this week, I will put it in the refrigerator. And I don't have to feed it. It would just sleep quietly until I need it again. And then I'll take it out of the fridge and I don't have to wait for it to come to room temperature. I'll just add a little water to it and feed it. And within a matter of maybe 4 hours, it will be ready. The one thing I like about using freshly milled flour in my sourdough starter is that it feeds quicker, in my opinion, than traditional flour. And I believe it has to do with the bran, the germ, and the endosperm that is still in the freshly milled flour. Nothing has been sifted. I do not sift my flour. And there you have it.